card has started off well in a lot of salons in Tamil Nadu, but few salons are yet to catch up. I was having a chat with a few of the franchise partners, and I was little surprised that they still have some apprehensions and they still have some doubts of the profitability and the commercial viability of the happiness card. As I promised in the beginning, the promise what we made when we have launched the happiness card is you will increase your turnover by 50% and you will increase your profit by 100%. That's the term, what you call premise at which the happiness card has been launched. Few of you are looking at the phases and then start commercial equivalent of that. That is, I heard one of the franchise partners say happiness card is selling, but it is selling only to existing customers. I think that is where it will begin. That is a beginning. Immediately when we launch a happiness card, people from competition is not going to rush to our salon and going to form a line. The first customers who is going to buy the happiness card is going to be our own customers. And it is a fact that if they alone buy, it is not a good offer. I am in 100% agreement with you. But my point is, it is only a starting. After the happiness card has been bought, our customers' family members have started becoming our customers. I think that is the first advantage. Lot of times the husband will come to our salon, the wife may be patronizing some other salons. Once the husband buys this happiness card, with the card the entire family becomes our customer. That is why the happiness card is called a family card. That is our first advantage. That indications have already been seen. Slowly but steadily we have now started getting new customers in the form of our existing customers. Family members have already started coming with the happiness card. That is the first advantage what we have received. The second advantage is, once the happiness card is gaining good traction, the customers who have bought or the customers who have used will talk to their friends, and through the word of mouth their friends will start coming and buying the happiness card, and that is going to take a little longer time. The third and the most important thing what I want you, all of you, to do is use this happiness card and get promote itself in the nearby area by the SMS, by the pamphlets, by the banners, and by other means. You try and communicate to your own circle of people and make them buy happiness card to your salon. That is how we will start getting new customers. Once these three are in place, the next phase we will launch our full campaign. Campaign from our side, both in radio and in the press, is ready with us, but we are unable to launch it because few of the salons have not yet started. We will be able to launch the salon, launch the campaign for happiness card once all the salons crosses minimum 30 cards. That means they are internally ready. Once the salon is internally ready, we will do the campaign. Before that, doing a campaign is not going to be good for us because we do not want unhappy customers. The ball is in each and every one of your franchise partners' court. I want you to take this opportunity and make it very successful. Do that 30 card sales, make the smile providers happy, make the customers happy, and then the campaign will hit the market. Once the campaign hit, you will be able to really capitalize. I have also got feedback from the market is now the competition have already started working on a similar offer. We have a small window of opportunity in front of us. That window of opportunity, I want you to use it and push it hard in the field and get a lot of existing customer converted, get existing customers, family members to the fold, get existing customers, friends to the fold, and also get new customers when the campaign begins. This can happen only when you get the act right at a floor level. I do not want any one of you to have any doubt about this happiness card's commercial viability. In case you have, please write to me at ckk@naturals.in or connect with Jay. He will be able to explain to us. Our area managers have been sufficiently briefed. But please do not start thinking and iterating between yourself and make this scheme a failure. I can get Kareena Kapoor on board, but if you don't put Kareena Kapoor in your own salon, Kareena Kapoor is of no use. We can come out with interesting offer, but Each and every franchise partner has the responsibility to implement on the floor. Please understand your responsibility. Salon team naturals on your front end, smile providers, salon managers, CREs, franchise partners, team naturals. Please believe in this. This is the best thing which has happened to naturals. Soon this will become a benchmark for all the salon industry and everybody will be bringing that. But before that, let us get our act right and gain some traction and gain some leadership. If we can do that, I think each and every one of us will get what we want. As I promised in the beginning, 50% increase in revenue and 100% increase in profit is very much on cards, and that is the direction it is going, and it is going slightly more positive than what I have anticipated, because a lot of people have started refilling their cards. That's something I didn't anticipate it too soon. So make sure you put in your heart and soul into this and make this happiness card a super success. Wishing you 360 degree of happiness. Thank you so much.